Hello friends and welcome back to Mystical Ventures. So in today's vlog I'll show you all how I spent my time at Mahim attending the Wednesday Novenas, and I'll show you all some glimpse of the Dadar flower market and some facts also about the flower market.
Blessed be the glorious Assumption. Blessed is the name of Mary, Virgin and Mother. Blessed be Saint Joseph, the most chaste spouse. Blessed be God and His angels and in His saints. On earth
So today I had attended the 7 o'clock Novena. So what happened is, in my last vlog of Novena at Mahim, I couldn't capture any hymns or prayers. So this time what I did, I went at 6:30 the Novena which was previously. I captured the hymn because my mom and dad were like a bit upset on me that I said Novenas I'll be showing, and then I did not capture any hymn or anything for my viewers. So this time I went and I got it done.
A few moments later.
So now here, this is after the 7 o'clock Novenas winded up. So then I went and I venerated Mama Mary's picture. I got myself blessed, and I got even the blessed flowers also for me. I'm always blessed, you see. And then I went venerating the statues over here, all the statues in the church. And the previous, the 3D wala also I had venerated previous Novena only, because then later I knew it would have been full kachdi and jam packed everywhere. And then even the outside grotto, I captured this also, and I prayed to Mama Mary for me, for my parents, for my siblings, for all my YouTube viewers as well. And then I went out, and then this is out of the this is at the footpath area where you get all these sweets. You get the East Indian sweets, you get the Goan sweets, you get the Mumbai special sweets. And Mahim ka halwa to I had to purchase. I purchased, but I did not capture it anyway. And then ये तो every Wednesday यहाँ पे वो मेले जैसा लगता है. And these are all the chanas, the grams, and then the goan dos, and then the aam papad, and everything is available in Mumbai now. ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब गोवा में कुछ you want to buy something that you have to travel to Goa. Now you get it in Mumbai also. And Mumbai का सामान भी आधे गोवा में भी तो मिलता है. So I went just exploring, trying to find something for me, but I didn't find anything. But I found this, अपने Picado खानदान का all time favorite, Suka Borums. And then I had to come and then hunt for a taxi so that I could go to the station. And then यहाँ आ गया मैं दादर station पे. So from Dadar station now you can see the full मतलब jam packed, मतलब पूरा गचड़ी लोगों का. You can see those people over there, मतलब वो जैसे बड़ी चींटियाँ जैसे लग रहे हैं. But I had to go because I wanted to go to the full market, that is the flower bazaar. Full bazaar flower market. लेकिन while going on the station, वहाँ पे on the footpath I saw this, मतलब बचपन का थोड़ा खट्टा मीठा वाला जो मिलता था. So I purchased some of this mouth fresh and वो पान परक वाला chocolate, and these are all dupes over here. I didn't purchase any. घेतला मी तुझा. मग इकडे हा काका पण खूप एक्साइटेड झालो, कारण तो माझ्या ब्लॉगवर कुठेतरी दिसणार म्हणून, आणि ही वॉज व्हेरी कीन टू कम इन माय ब्लॉग. And then going forward, here I picked up 4-5 kurtas, because very soon you all will see me wearing those kurtas, because I'll be attending lots and lots of Hindu and Muslim wedding receptions. I so fell in love with this t-shirt, but unfortunately they didn't have my size. पता नहीं अपना bad luck ही क्यों खराब है यार. So now here, this is the flower market area. You get all the flowers available over here, whichever you want. Like you can say lotus, tuberoses, roses, marigolds, and jasmines, and sunflower, and mogra, whatever you want to get it here. See these bouquets over here, hand bouquets, they are all worth only for 200 or 250 something. That's cheap over there. And all of the religion, that may be the Hindu, Christian or the Muslims, during their wedding time, they all come here because you get the authentic fragrant mogras available over here, and they order it months in advance. And this is a market where the entire Mumbai, all the stores, whoever have like this flower boutique or whatever they have, they all purchase it from here. And this market opens in the morning at 2 o'clock and never shuts down. I mean, it's 24/7 it is open. So that's all in my vlog today. Till then, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, that is Mystical Ventures. Thank you.